With over $9.8 billion in annual sales, third-party food delivery is playing a critical role in restaurant business and rapidly expanding into more cities. Using our Tamper-Evident delivery bags, you can capitalize on this growth while maintaining quality control. After all, 1 out of every 4 delivery drivers admitted to tasting their customers' food in a recent survey by US Foods. We offer multiple solutions to help protect your brand and the consumer. Bags are available for food and beverage with options for 1 and 2 drink carriers. Each bag's Tamper-Evident adhesive strip provides visible evidence of opened. This allows restaurants to help protect the integrity of the food in transit while maintaining the same inner packaging and branding as typical to-go orders. All of the bags feature a wide top for easy loading and a peel and seal adhesive strip for simple operations. The food bag is vented to help maintain meal quality by reducing condensation and releasing excessive heat. When it's time to open, the consumer can use the perforated line to cleanly tear off the top of the bag. Then, they can enjoy their meal with confidence and a sense of security. We offer custom printing as well as stock graphics on these products. Contact us today to learn how to leverage the drink carrier bag with our next generation cup and lid. This combination helps prevent leakage and lid detachment for a safe and convenient delivery system.